When the law of attraction became popularized by the hit movie The Secret, it left a lot of people hanging, and they actually began using the law of attraction in the wrong way. The law of attraction was really taught by somebody who declined to be in the movie. And the reason this individual declined to be in the movie is because they said they were teaching the wrong information. And he said, I didn't want to be a part of it because it was being taught wrong. If you really want to know manifestation, you have to understand one simple sentence, according to Wayne Dyer. And what Wayne Dyer said is, you don't get what you want. You get what you are. And in order to get what you want, you have to understand who you are. And in order to understand who you are, you have to think outside of the dimension of form, outside of yourself as a physical body and the story of your memories and who you see in the mirror. And you have to start thinking of yourself as an energy field, as an energy pattern. You are a vibration that is emanating a frequency out to the universe in the same way that a radio broadcasting tower emits a frequency out into the invisible ether. Now, we know that 99.999% of everything in the physical universe is actually energy. It's energy. Matter is made up of 99% empty space. So your hand, you're not a body. You aren't a person. You are an energy field vibrating at a frequency that allows you to perceive a very small amount of who you are. It was Buckminster Fuller that said that you only see 1% of who you are. So if you don't get what you want and you get what you are, then what does that mean? You get the vibration that you emanate to the universe. The law of attraction taught you that if you just know what you want, you'll get it. But here's the problem. Everything is two things: what you want and the absence of what you want. You can know that you want money, but you could be focused and always finding the fact that it is not in your life, and how the rich people are greedy, and how this boss screwed you over, and how this person got the job you wanted, and how this person shouldn't be making that amount of money. How could they have that nice car when there's someone starving in the world? But you could want money. But who you're being is the exact opposite of wealth. So you're actually blocking what you want from coming into your life. So that's why Wayne Dyer said you don't get what you want. You get what you are every single solitary time. So comment that down below. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. Comment that down below. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. So then the question is, what are you broadcasting? What are you broadcasting? Imagine that you are a radio broadcasting tower. Imagine that you are a frequency bandwidth that is emanating or projecting a certain vibration in the same way that 91.1 FM on the radio is projecting a certain vibratory frequency that is holding information called sound that plays 91.1, and let's say it's a rock station that is emanating a frequency that holds an informational pattern, and that informational pattern is that it's a rock station. You could turn it to 100.7 and that's a rap station. It is a frequency that is being projected or broadcasted, and you are able to perceive it. Well, think of yourself the same way. You are an individual radio broadcasting tower sending a frequency. So you ask yourself, instead of would I like to be a country music station, would I like to be a rap station, would I like to be a jazz station, would I like to be a talk show? No. Ask yourself this: am I a station of wealth? Am I a receiver and transmitter of love? Or do I want love, but I'm focused on the fact that there's all these bad guys and I'm still mad at my ex? Because that would be an example of knowing what you want, but being the opposite. Because you don't get what you want, you get what you are. You know what you want, but you're being a lack of love. You're being scarcity. You're being fear. You're being negative. You're being limited. You're being the opposite of what you want. So then it all comes down to a simple thing: vibration. You have the ability to create and hold images. You have the ability to close your eyes, and because you are made in the image of God and you are one with the universe, the universal power, spirit, is flowing through you, and you can channel that energy using your imagination, and you can imagine the world that you want to live in, and you can practice feeling it and giving gratitude to it, saying thank you God, thank you universe, that my wishes are already fulfilled. And when you begin to do this in your imagination, what happens is you actually start to train your brain that you already have it. Your nervous system starts to think that you have it, and what that means is your vibration changes, your energy changes, because all your emotions are your energy in motion. And when you can emotionally get involved in an image, in a dream, in a reality, in an idea that has not yet manifested physically in your life, but you can get emotionally involved in it, you've changed your energy, you've changed your frequency, you've changed the plane of reality from which you are vibrating on. And when you do that, that's what shifts your life. That's why Nikola Tesla said that if you want to understand the universe, you have to think in terms of frequency, energy, and vibration. And that's why it was said so powerfully: energy, vibration, frequency. Match and sustain the vibration that you want, the energy that you want. Match and sustain it, and you cannot help but get it. This is the truth about the law of attraction. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you enjoyed this video, or you enjoy my new haircut, make sure you hit the like button right over there on this side and right over there on this side. The like button is what sends this out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. I don't have a huge marketing or PR company or firm. I don't pay a bunch of money for my videos to be seen. So if you think I do a good job and you want more people to see these videos to help raise the consciousness of the world, make sure you hit the like button right over there on this side, right over there on this side, and leave a comment down below that lets me know what country, city, or state that you are coming from. I'd love to know where in the world you are, and if you leave a comment down below, it helps make sure that this video gets sent out to more people. If you really enjoy this and you want to start retraining your subconscious, reprogramming your old limiting thought patterns, be sure to check out my software called The Second Mind. I say the first mind is the one programmed for all the limitations of society. It's the one that believes in all of our inherent limitations. It doesn't think we can do all these great things. The second mind is the mind that you've programmed to the vibration you want, to the energy you want. You've retrained and rewired your brain. Well, I created a software to do this for you so that you turn your brain into a magnet for what you want. There's a free demo for it right there down below in the description in the comments. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below in the description in the comments. And that's a free demo for my Second Mind neuroprogrammer to retrain your brain to turn your brain into a magnet for what you want in your life. And remember, you live in a beautiful, friendly, awesome universe, and you are capable of everything that you want. I have a feeling today's going to be a really good day.